Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna learn how to delete or to remove that text which says uh, highcharts.com, right? So let's go to your browser using Chrome or any browser, no stress. Then you say google.com. Then you say highcharts examples. I'm gonna use a pie. So now you click on that pie. You can see this pie. There's this little text here which says highcharts.com, and when you click on it, it will take you to Highcharts. You get me? You can see that's where it takes you, right? So to make things easier for us, we're gonna go back to that pie. We're gonna use a pie because one of the most used. Okay, I'm gonna go to here. I'm gonna work here first, then I'll work in offline, right? There are people who can say, no, I want you to do it offline. Okay, I'm gonna work here. You go to your code. Okay, you can see this is still here. So what can I say here? I wanna first delete this. I'm gonna, don't worry if you want to see it on Notepad, I'll do that. So you go into your JavaScript. And go after this, before the title. What you have to do, write credits, colony, then curly braces. Then what you do, you say comma here. Then you say it's gonna be enabled. Then colony. Then you say false. After doing that, you can see this when you run, it won't be there. So save, run. Okay. After saving, I'm running it. It should show credits enabled. I wonder why it's not working here, but it should work. Our chat. Okay, sorry for the noise in the background, but it's fine. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make things simple. Go back, come back here. Let me do it once on Notepad. Okay, I'm gonna open my Notepad, but I'm gonna use Visual Studio. Open a new HTML file. I'm gonna copy this, all of it, and go to my Notepad. Sorry guys. So I'm gonna paste this code here, and I also copy this code for JavaScript. All of it. Then paste it here. After that, I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save it on desktop like pi.com. Then save it. After that, I'm gonna run it in. You can see what's gonna go on. It should work. It didn't work here. Let me use Firefox. Okay. I use use Firefox. Oh, I'm sorry, I just did .com instead of .html. I'm crazy here. I'm sorry for this. I'm gonna do a rename on this file. Say rename or save as. I'll save as py.html. Then you save. Then I'm gonna run. Okay. After running it, this is what I find. It's fine. That's super fine. Don't worry, guys. So I didn't put script tags. That is what causes the problem. I have to go here and put script, and also by the end I put script. I close it. Script. Okay, super fine. I save. I refresh here. Our pie is here. So we want to take out this because when you click on it, it takes you to a different to their website. So the trick is very simple. You saw it how I did it. I'm gonna put here so that you see what I'm doing when I'm changing. So go to your code, look for title, up on title. So you write credits, then colony, then you put curly braces, to opening and closing. Then you put a comma here. Then you come inside and say enabled. Say okay, then colony, say false, space false. When I save, that's the only code which can delete that. And I saw someone who removes it by using a CSS, but me, I'm using that. You can see this. When I refresh, it won't be there anymore. Gone. That's it, guys. There's nothing more on that, nothing less. And I want to give you another tip, but not for this. If you want to draw two graphs here, but you copy and paste and they don't work, but the data is different, you ask yourself why. It's simple. Let me give you the reason why. I'm going to copy this. This is a bonus thing. It's beyond the scope of the tutorial. Paste that. Since there are two, I'm expecting to see what? Two graphs. When I roll, I don't see the second one, but I see the second text. The reason is simple, is the container ID is the same. So once you change this container ID, let me change this one to 1. Where is the second container? And also this one. Save. Gonna see our two graphs here, pies. Wow, both of them, they are what? Displaying. So easy. That was a bonus code or tip. But to remove highcharts.com, we finished and you saw it. Thanks for watching, and we have reached 5,000 subscribers, and we are above 1 million views. If it wasn't for you guys, we're not going to be here. We really appreciate your support. Whenever you need something, please talk to us. We can help you if we have the knowledge of doing so. Thanks for watching, and if we made some mistakes, please leave it in the comment box below. And that's it. See you in the next video.